If you're reapplying lip balm all day long and your lips still feel dry, it's not dehydration and it's probably not you. Most people are stuck in something called the irritation cycle. Their lip balm is actually keeping them in it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what's really happening and how to fix it. Hi, I'm Janice, founder of AJ's EO Infusions, and I teach intentional restorative lip care instead of constant reapplication and frustration. Let's talk about what's really happening. So most people assume that dry lips mean one thing: I need more moisture. So what do? We apply our lip balm and then we reapply and reapply again. But here's what's actually happening. Many lip balms coat the surface. Some contain fragrances, flavors, waxes, ingredients that feel soothing at first, but then create that lower level irritation over time. So instead of repairing your lip barrier, we are just covering the symptoms. And then guess what? Our lips are slightly irritated and they feel drier faster. So you apply more. That's the cycle. It's not that your lips can't heal. It's that they're not being given a chance to. So pause and let that sink in. So lip balm isn't the villain here, but lip balm alone is often incomplete. If you never gently remove that dead skin and you're applying 8, 10, 15 times a day, your lips just don't regulate naturally. And if our barrier is already compromised, coating it is not going to repair it. It just temporarily masks it. And that's why you feel like nothing works. You're treating the symptom and not supporting the structure. Here's the good news. This is fixable. Your lips need 3 things: gentle exfoliation, not aggressive, not daily, just enough to remove that buildup so that the products that you do apply can actually work. Barrier supportive ingredients. These would be soothing, non-irritating, and protective. Less frequency, giving your lips time to reset instead of constantly layering. When you shift from panic applying to intentional repair, your lips respond. They calm down, they regulate, they hold moisture longer, and you stop feeling dependent. Have you ever thought, why won't my lips just stay soft? Am I just dehydrated? Is something wrong with me? It's not you, it's the pattern. And once you understand the pattern, you can break it. This is actually the first video in a short series where I'm going deeper into the lip balm dependency cycle, ingredients that quietly irritate our lips, and how to truly repair your lip barrier. So make sure that you're subscribed if you want to follow along. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start repairing, I've put a simple resource for you below that walks through an intentional lip ritual step by step. No overwhelm, no constant reapplying, just calm, restorative care. The link is in the description. You deserve lips that feel calm, not constantly stressed. And remember, it's not you.